Hey.
Yeah.
You have two $1 bills on you?
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you prepare the machine? I'll show you a little magic trick right here. I want you to film this right here. I want you to film that there's nothing in there. I want you to film that there's nothing down there. All right. I want you to sign those two $1 bills.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Can he sign anything he wants to?
I'll put my name on here.
I didn't know.
Okay.
What I want you to do is I want you to put those two $1 bills into that slot right there.
Okay.
I want you to get a shot of this. I want you to see him. I don't even want to touch it, all right? Put
Okay.
those dollar bills inside there, all right?
All right.
All right, one went in.
Okay.
And I haven't touched anything, right?
Right.
I haven't touched anything.
Right.
Okay. Hey, what's going on with that one? It's not going in there, huh? What's up with that? All right, there we go.
Uh-oh.
It's easy. Just get a bit,
Okay, good.
All right. What I want you to do, I
Yeah.
want you to choose any one of these 8 selections, any one that you want.
Okay.
All right, just pick one. Pick one.
Okay.
All right. Whatever drink you want, whatever drink you like. All right.
All right.
All right. I don't even want to touch it yet.
Okay.
Put your camera down there. Put the camera down there. All right. I want you to take that out of there.
Okay.
Oh,
What?
shit.
Are those the two $1 bills that you just signed inside that bottle?
That, what?
Yeah!
That's nice. Nice.
Take the wrapper off if anyone can't see. Put it.
Nice. I like that.
Wow! Amazing.
That's cool, man.
That is cool.
Alright, I'll give it to me so I can drink this shit. No sugar.
All right.
Here.
Grand prize, baby. Grand prize. Cut.